guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title, I got my February-March Confetti Collections box. I love when I get these subscription boxes, and Confetti Collections is so sweet to send them to me so I can review them for you guys. But I actually look forward to this because, I mean, who doesn't like getting stuff in the mail for themselves, and cute stuff too, right? So this is the box for this month. It's actually a bi-monthly subscription, so this is for February and March, and I'm very excited to go and see what's inside. If you guys are interested in getting your own, I will leave all the information in the description below. Definitely go and check them out. They do a lot of like novelty items and giftable items, like just cute stuff, and I have already done 2 reviews on the last 2 boxes, so definitely go and check them out. And I'm telling you, they're such cute stuff. So I can't wait to see what I got for the month of February and March. As always, when you get it, you do get it with the bubble wrap and the product inside, and they do give a lot of these like straw, stringy kind of stuff. But I'm telling you, I love the box too because I reuse it for like keeping things in it, so because it's a really nice box. So let's go ahead and look into it. I love that it's pink because it's kind of going with what I have going on right now. And if you do like this look, I mean seriously, I did a whole braid for you guys, so definitely go check this look out. So if it's out, I will leave a link to it up here. Definitely go check it out. If it's not, it'll be up very soon, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so already I really can't wait to look into it and see all the things that they have. So it says surprise. They always give like a little card. It says inside you'll find some goodies to brighten your day. Share some with friends and brighten their day too. So I don't know if they have like a theme. So they do also have another card that came with it, and it says here are some fun ways to use the bright satin ribbons from our sister brand Ofray. You can use it to make necklaces, a belt, for your sweater to make it look cute, and for like your sneakers. So it's just cute ways to do that. And then they have a promo code so that you can get 20% off your next order. So these are the 2 ribbons that I got. It is like this corally color and like almost like a fuchsia pink color. So these are 1.5 inches and 12 feet long. So they're really nice. I love wrapping gifts. I love making cute little designs and things like that. So this will be great for that. If you guys haven't, I did do a gift wrapping DIY thing for Christmas. I know it's kind of late. Christmas is over, but definitely go check that out because you can get ideas for other holidays or birthdays or whatever, but ribbons are great for that. So cute. I like the colors. I mean, it's like it's already getting ready for spring, and I love spring. I think spring is probably my favorite season because it's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's just perfect. So the next item is this cord pouch. So I guess you can keep like your phone cords and all those things in there. It's kind of tight, and it looks like it just snaps right back, so to hold it. And it says hashtag stop hashtag abuse. I feel like I hashtag abuse a lot, but I mean, you know, you just want to make sure you get everything. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I love this. It's so pretty. I am loving the color. Lately I've been liking yellow. I love all colors, so you know, but I was not a big fan of yellow before, but now I'm kind of liking yellow. It's just bright and it brightens up my spirit, I feel like. But I can definitely use this for traveling, and I will be traveling soon, so this is very exciting. Alright, so the next one is a phone charging stand, and it's called Cellmate, which is so cute, and it says, "Be strong, I whisper to my Wi-Fi signal." I love all the cute stuff. Like, they have a lot of cute stuff. So far these 2 items are from C.R. Gibson, and this one is from Ofray. So I think the rest of the items are going to be by C.R. Gibson. That's the pattern that I've been seeing with Confetti Collections. So C.R. Gibson, whoever you are a genius. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So I'm assuming it's like this. I didn't get any instructions. Alright. But I think I figured it out. So I think it just goes like this, and you can like sit it somewhere to charge your phone. So this is my phone. You just sit it like this, and I guess the charger would be right here, which is perfect, and then it'll just charge. So like you want to take it somewhere and it just comes apart, and it's like a wood, so it'll last. So definitely will be taking this to my travels as well. Great stuff, man. The next thing I see is this adjustable koozie. It looks like this. I'm gonna take it out because I do feel like I'm gonna end up using this. So it looks like this. It has Velcro in the back, and you can just put it on your bottle to keep it, if it's too hot or too cold or whatever, for you to hold it. It's such a cute design. I love this blue and gold. I know I have like silver going on. It's mainly because of these earrings, but I do love a good blue and gold. Like, look at that pattern. It's just so pretty. Like, already I feel like the stuff that they do, they're just cute. Like this has like a gold border, and this pink is very pretty. So I just like cute stuff. Like everything I've gotten from Confetti Collections, I've kept it at my desk, in my room. I've used the notebooks because they're just so cute. They're such cute items. So I love it. Alright, so the next thing I see is this card. I think for one of the other ones also I've received a card, which I ended up giving it to my cousin, and she really liked it. It was very, very cute. But this says, "You're sweet." This is what it looks like. And also this is a pin. It is an ice cream on top of the ice cream truck. Like, who comes up with such cute stuff like this? Okay, I love it. I love it. So it does say, "Thanks for being awesome." I mean, how cute. So they did put this to protect the card from getting the dent from the pin, but I think this is so sweet. Sierra Gibson, you're so sweet. A lot of the times when you get cards, you usually end up either throwing it away or whatever, because, or you keep it for a while and then it's somewhere else. But at least this, like, you can use it. Like if you put this pin on your bag or coat or something, at least like you can remember the person by that. So I think that is very, very nice. I like that. And giving a card to someone just because they're sweet, how adorable. I mean, people need to do things like that. Trying to put this back, you guys. Gotta keep it secure for the person I'm gonna give it to, you know? Alright, so the next one is also another card, and it says "Sunny skies ahead," and this one has sunglasses. They're heart sunglasses. I kind of don't want to take it out of the plastic because I don't want to have to go through the hassle of putting it back. But I'm going to open it. Oh, actually, it does tell you what the message inside is, and it says "Sending sunshine your way." So I don't have to open it, but that's what that looks like. Yeah, this one has cute little sunglasses, you guys. How cute is that? So the next thing I have is a touchstone, little touches of inspiration. So I guess it's just a stone that you can either keep somewhere for decoration or keep with you. And this one says, and this is great for gifting it to someone who's like going to college, or if you travel and you want to give it to your friend wherever you are, you know, wherever you travel to before you leave, this will be cute. So it's a stone that says "Laugh." I love how it looks. I feel like this is a nice message to give to anyone, because you should laugh. You know, life is short. Laugh, enjoy, have fun. So yeah, this is really, really nice. I honestly love everything about this, even like the fact that you have two cards that, like, you know, you can just give someone just to be nice is such a sweet thing. So these are like such creative things, and I really, really like that. Last but not least, I think I'm the most excited for this one because it's a keychain, and it's like a mermaid keychain. Like, how cute. And this message says, "Yes, in fact, I'm a mermaid." I love this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Yeah, I will definitely be using this. It's really nice. Like, it doesn't look flimsy or anything. It's like gold and teal. I'm loving this. I'm loving this a lot. All right. So unfortunately, that is everything. Let me see, how many items did I get? So it comes with 8 items: the ribbons, the cards, the koozie holder, the phone charger station, and the cord keeper? I forgot what it was called. Oh, cord pouch, cord keeper, and the keychain. So yeah, definitely, I will definitely be using this for my travels. I got some stuff in the last confetti collections that I will be using for my travels, so I'm kind of excited to do that as well. So if you do want to know what those things are, I will leave a link to it up here. Definitely go check that out. I'm telling you, Confetti Collections has such cute items, and I really like it, and I really feel like all of this is giftable. All of this is great for a gift basket or just to be nice to someone. So those are really nice things. So it is $20 bi-monthly, and I think you get a lot of cute stuff. So if you are interested, definitely check out my description and I'll leave all of the information down there for you. Also, in the comments below, let me know which one of these items you guys like the most. I am kind of leaning towards the keychain, but then again, I'm looking at all of the other stuff and everything looks very cute. So but yeah, I'm gonna say the keychain for now, but everything is so adorable. This is just such adorable things to have in your house or give to a friend, so I'm happy about it. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!